What is up, guys? Welcome to Moving Minds with Money. And today, before we get to today's topic, actually, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel thus far. As you guys would know, it's a relatively new channel, but we've decided to teach as many of the money making methods that we know personally to you guys, because what's the point of having all this knowledge and not bringing people up with you? And talking about bringing people up with us, we are busy building a full online money making course. This is it's going to be a very detailed course. It's going to cover topics like affiliate marketing, drop shipping, drop servicing in detail, guys. So if you want to become part of that course, please comment down below. I'm in. We will add you to the Discord server, and as soon as the course is up and running, you will be added. This is really a great opportunity for us and for you guys to collaborate and just help each other out to reach new heights, man. So yeah, if you are interested in that, please look into it. But today's video is all about a website named TextBroker. And TextBroker, so as we can see here, I am at textbroker.com, right? So this is basically a website where you get paid for creating or writing content, right? Now, the only catch with this is that it currently only takes US citizens. In other words, you have to be a permanent resident of the USA. But essentially, if you are in the USA, this is a very, very nifty little website here. Now, guys, as always, please, before you dive into the internet, you need to think about your safety. We've used a lot of VPNs. We've used ExpressVPN and NordVPN. We're currently using. We've been very, very impressed with NordVPN. So yeah, guys, anytime you're doing this stuff and you're working with money on the internet, please make sure that you're utilizing a VPN. If you guys do not have a VPN at the moment, we have a 63% discount on NordVPN offer. Time is limited though, guys. It is linked down below in the description. We are concerned about your online safety, but our own online safety, and yeah, just stay safe, man. NordVPN 63% discount down in the description. That will get you sorted out and will keep you safe while you're making money on the internet. Now, so now I'm currently based in South Africa, so I'm not going to be able to sign up here. But if we say you should be clicking on I write content, right? Now, guys, you can make up to between $200 and $300 an hour if you really put in the work on this app. And obviously, you can also use a VPN to get around the sign up issue. That should work. But yeah, so free offer registration. So I'm just going to take you to the page so that you guys can see how this exactly looks. So you can either sign up as a client to order content. So if you want content for your brand, for your site, whatever it may be, you can sign up there. Or what we're going to do is we're going to sign up as an author, because we're going to be writing content, right? So as I said, I'm not going to complete the sign up process, but I will show you how it looks. So as you see here, please note, author registration must be at least 18 years of age and a citizen or permanent resident of the United States. But I'm sure if you use a VPN, you'll be able to get around that. But this is just for demonstration purposes, guys. So I'm not going to dive that deep into it. Just want to show you guys how it looks. Profession and field of study. So let's say, let's use fitness as an example. You write fitness content, you're a personal trainer, you're going to say your field of study is obviously going to be fitness and health. Where did you hear about us? Just a referral. And then expertise. So as you can see, here are loads of niches to pick from. If we were to go with the fitness one, we would say fitness and lifestyle, right? So expertise in their email address, password, and repeating your password, and you're accepting the T's and C's. As I said, I tried to sign up yesterday because I'm based in South Africa. It didn't work, unfortunately. But as I said, guys, that's why you got to get NordVPN. It is in the description down below, because then you can, it should be able to bypass this whole location thing. But as soon as you sign up, anyway, you can be paid up to $200 to $300 per hour if you put in the work typing. Now, you might be thinking, Estian, I'm not that good at typing. Neither am I, bro. Check this out. So once you get your gig, right? So once you get your piece to do, you head on over to Google or docs.google.com, right? And you know what? What's interesting here is if you look at tools, you'll see voice typing, right? Voice typing, right? So let's say let's test this out actually to see if it works. Hi, my name is. You see, right. So this is actually a cool little nifty shortcut that you guys can take. So if you have your piece that you need to write and you're not that good at typing physically, you can always use Google Docs to type it for you. You just need to voice what you type, obviously. So yeah, guys, very simple method to make $200 to $300 an hour. It does take a lot of commitment. It does take, you have to put in the work. It's not completely as easy as many people make it sound. But a lot of my friends in the US have actually used TextBroker, and they've told me it's a fantastic app. They've really made nifty little I would say profits or I can't find the word I'm looking for. But anyway, they have made money from this. It's a nice little side income, especially if you have the time. So yeah, guys, textbroker.com, a nifty little way for you to make $200 to $300 an hour just typing content. And please note that you also have to submit a writing sample when you sign up, and according to that writing sample you will be paired up with the type of gigs that will be suited according to your ability. So yeah, man, go for it. Textbroker.com. Remember our 63% discount for NordVPN. Your online safety is so important to us. We can never be too safe in today's society. So yeah, guys, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching. All that I ask of you is to please hit that subscribe button for me, turn on your post notifications bell, and of course we'll see you in the next video.